Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm preparing pineapple chicken for you guys. So I have taken 1 kilo chicken here and I have cut it in cubes. And the spices that I'm going to use for its marination, I'm going to marinate this chicken and I'm going to fry it. I've taken 2 cups flour, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of chili, 1 teaspoon chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon corn flour. So I'm just going to add all of this in the marination. Okay, I'm going to utilize this also. I'm going to put it all. I'm going to mix 1 egg into that. Okay, and I'm going to give it a good mix and show you what it guys. So as you see, I have mixed every ingredient into this batter, and this is what it looks like. And now I'm going to heat my oil. I'm heating my oil over here in this dish. I have taken nearly 1/2 cup of oil. If you use less oil, you can use less, because I have to use this batter to fry it in the oil. So that's why I've taken 1/2 cup oil. Okay, so guys, you can see that in the boiling oil I had placed this the pineapple, the chicken into it, and I'm going to cook it. If you want, because I'm short of time and I have to prepare this dish really soon, if you want, you can keep it in the fridge for nearly 10 to 15 minutes for marination. I had to cook it right away, so I just put it in the deep fried oil. Guys, after frying the chicken looks like this. Okay, now I have to prepare the pineapple sauce. So I have taken 1 cup of pineapple juice. I'm going to add that in there. Okay, I have taken 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add that in there. Okay, I have taken 1 tablespoon of vinegar, white vinegar, and I have taken 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. I'm going to make this pineapple sauce and get back to you. After adding in all the spices and the vinegar and soya sauce, I put in 2 cups of water, and I had little bit pineapple juice remaining, so I added in that. It depends how much watery, how much gravy you want. So I put 2.5 cups of water because I want it gravy like. So I'm waiting for it to boil and thicken. Now I'm going to make the sorted vegetables that I'm going to add in my pineapple sauce. For that, I've taken 3/4 cup of pineapples. I've taken 1 onion and I've chopped it in these squares. And I have also so guys, I'm going to saute my vegetables just for a few minutes, and then I'm going to transfer it into my sauce. If you can see that these the smoke is coming out, and of course my pineapples are turned a little bit soft. And now I'm going to add all of this into it has to turn soft, the pineapples. Okay, I'm going to add all the sorted vegetables, and I'm also going to add my chicken into this. Okay, I'm going to add all my chicken into this. So I'm going to mix it all together and show you. Guys, I wanted to show you the consistency of the thickness of the if you feel like the curry is not thick, so you can add corn flour, but I added just 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and I feel like the consistency is good. So I'm going to put the stove off. I don't know how it's tasting. A lime. Guys, you can see that the pineapple chicken is looking divine, and it's so easy to make. Guys, do try this recipe, and you can serve it with fried rice, vegetable rice, garlic rice, whichever rice you like. I'm going to eat it with boiled rice. So this is what it looks like. Guys, if you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to mention every ingredient in the description bar for you. Give it a try and please subscribe to my channel and give me your feedback. Thank you so much for watching, guys.